Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to export our WordPress site and save it locally on our machine. Welcome once again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up, it means a lot to me. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. I do well to reply to every comment on this channel. Before we get started into today's video, that is how to export your WordPress blog and save it locally, I want you to know that our website is hosted on Bluehost. Bluehost is the recommended WordPress hosting platform for beginners. So if you're about to start, if you are looking for a new hosting platform, if you want to migrate to a different hosting platform, I recommend to you Bluehost. Click the link below this video to check out the amazing packages Bluehost has to offer you. Grab one today. Now let's get started into today's video. Many people, beginners, experts, intermediates, will love to be able to export their WordPress blog. Many people do not know how to do this. I am going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can easily export your WordPress blog. Like I said, this is the site we've been using for our demo purposes, the WP Tools Guide. Let's see how it looks like right now. Let's check out our demo blog. This is our demo blog for demo purposes, for tutorial purposes, and we are going to export this site. So now let's get started. Come to your plugin side and click on Add New. Here, let's search for Duplicator. Let's search for this plugin. This is the plugin I'm talking about, Duplicator WordPress migration plugin by Snap Creek. This is what we are going to use. So I'm going to install it right now. Installation has finished successfully. Let's activate it. Once our plugin is activated, it's time to export our site. So on the left hand side menu right here, you can see Duplicator settings here, and just click on packages. We don't have any packages, so we have to create a new one. You can also check out this guide to learn more, but that is what I'm doing. So keep following this video, and once again, let me remind you to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's click on Create New. So this is going to be the name of our backup or our export file. You can leave it as it is. This is the year or the date, that is 9th August 2021, or you can give it a different name if you want. And let's just click on Next. So the plugin is going to scan our site for all file directories belonging to our website and belonging to WordPress. So let's wait as the scanning is ongoing. If you are still here, if you are still watching this video, thank you. It means a whole lot to me. And don't forget you subscribe to this channel as I come your way with more WordPress tutorials. So after our scan, we have some notices. So let's check out these notices. So after scanning, it's saying we have 7.8 gig. This is too much because actually we have other WordPress sites installed on our server. That is why. So let's go in and remove the unwanted files out of it, name checks and everything. So now I'll start with the add-on sites because these are sites that we don't need in the export. So I will take all the sites that we don't need. So these are all websites being hosted on our Bluehost account. Okay, so now we have removed the unwanted websites. Now name checks is also looking good. Let's go into our size checks and remove the heavy files or the large files out of it. I'll click on add filters and rescan. Okay, so now everything is looking good here, and we can go ahead, build our package and export it. So our package is being built. Let's wait patiently for our package building to complete. Then we will download. At the end of the day, we would have successfully exported our site. So as you can see, package completed in 11 seconds. We are done. So let's just use the one-click download to export our whole website. Do you want to also learn how to migrate onto a new server, onto a different server? You've exported a whole WordPress site. Now, do you also want to learn how to import a whole WordPress site? If yes, leave them in the comment box below. I'll also do a video on that. In today's video, we are only learning how to export our WordPress site. So I'll just click on one-click download to export our site. I'll click on start download, and our downloading has started. So once downloading has completed, it means we have successfully exported our site. Let's see the window here. So once the download is completed, our site would have been fully exported onto our local machine. So download is completed. Our export is successful. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, let me remind you I have prepared some resources in the video description box. Check the video description box below. You'll see all the resources I have prepared. They are for WordPress users. Especially if you're a beginner, use these resources and become a better WordPress user. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.